Look at where a whole Nigerian police force. Then go sit down. Only God knows till they find. This is somewhere in the city of Kano. This is Kruna. This is Kruna in Kano State. They went close to this Audu Manager's filling station. You know, there is a news before that the youth said they are going to burn down the fuel station. So the owner of the filling station has already brought some military men on ground. Now that I'm not too close, we could have seen the military men. Let me see if there is any means I can get close to that place. Helper, enter here. Enter here so that I will not enter their midst like that. Look at the soldiers at the gate of Audu Manager fuel station. Okay. Look at where they. Okay, see another one from the back. Wow. Another group. Let's zoom. Okay, this one say Abu the border. This one said Abu the they should open the border. Okay. Yes, yeah. They said they should bring back subsidy. They said they should bring back the subsidy and they should open the borders. Help, come. Nice one. Look at the one at look at the soldiers at Audu Manager. Those of you that know the Corona routes very well. Come on, walk carry me go Corona. If you come back again. Look at the soldiers at Audu Manager. This is the police station they wanted to burn down. But being that soldiers are there and a lot of things have been deliberated, so some big men came out. Look at them, they are going. Oh boy, this protest go red though. Even inside the fuel station, soldiers stay inside. Oh boy. Very small thing. Plenty are coming. Wow, how are this? Look at the soldiers. Look at them both inside. Even soldier man they do video, no be small thing. How to manage that fuel station. See another set of people coming from far. This is the fourth set. This is the fourth set of. This is the fourth set. No, this one is not group of soldiers. This one is another group of Talibans. You go red. Epa, if these ones that are coming comes closer, we are going to cross. Yeah, we are not going to stay here because these ones they are much. Some of them are inside trailer. Some of them are inside trailer. It's like we'll go upstairs. We are going to climb up of this SDS Plaza. I believe there is way out. See, there is road. We are going to climb up. We are going to climb up. So let's wait first. Once they come close. Let me pause the video for space.
Yoruba Gbodo TV. Ẹ máa share ẹ̀, kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa subscribe síbẹ̀. Toro Gbodo púpọ̀.